Uh, you will have to speak on trekking.
Trekking is a very enjoyable thing in our generation. You can see nowadays monsoon going on, and every young people and also aged people also going outdoor in fort, farmhouse, and wild and go for jungle in the trekking. Trekking is good for your uh, brain and your body because when you go outside, you feel fresh and your physical activity is working on. That's why your body develop. If you trek in month every week for once, then if you feel better because when you trekking for 5 to 10 kilometers or 15 kilometers in a day, that time you your legs always strong, your mentality strong, and you achieve a goal because you if you go first time you don't complete your trekking, but when you go second time if you go first time you complete 5 kilometers, then you target next time to 7 to 10 kilometers. So this is very good for achievement and plan also because you go for a trekking that time planning is also important and your behavior uh, uh, because you if you go for trekking that time uh, don't need alcohol. Trekking is learning you is how to behave in outdoor and uh, also teach you how to control your mindset. You if you go trekking 5 to 10 times, you feel positive thinking. So you want to go for trekking, so definitely you should go for a trekking because trekking is very good, and you got new places and new information. That is very important because you go every time new place and build up your knowledge. So that is good for everyone. So you should go for at least in a year uh, two, two, 3 times you should go for trekking. Thank you, sir.
Good.